Take to the road and you immediately realize Jaguar's performance technology permeates every part of the E-Pace driving experience. Power comes from Jaguar's range of lightweight Ingenium engines, available in both petrol and diesel. These have been designed to provide excellent drivability, refinement, and strong fuel economy. And for the more demanding driver, they include both the diesel and petrol high-power engines, which deliver outstanding performance. The fully independent suspension system features a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension so that you can take the road ahead with poise and confidence, whatever the conditions. Jaguar Drive Control puts you in charge, with multiple driving modes to suit your driving style and mood. Choose Dynamic Mode for a more responsive, sportier drive. You can even customize the E-Pace's driving character to get the drive that's right for you. Jaguar's electronic power-assisted steering further enhances driver engagement, whilst also improving fuel economy. Eco Mode optimizes efficiency, modifying settings throughout the vehicle to reduce fuel consumption and encourages a more efficient driving style. Rain, Ice, Snow Mode is ideal for wet or icy conditions, enhancing the E-Pace's stability in low-grip situations. In these conditions, Jaguar's intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously and automatically switches torque between front and rear axles, providing traction where it's needed, so the E-Pace always feels stable and sure-footed. Torque vectoring by braking also complements the driving experience. When cornering strongly, torque vectoring by braking applies the brakes to the inside wheels to provide greater driver confidence. Low traction launch helps you to pull away, while all surface progress control maintains consistent levels of progress across challenging terrain such as snow, mud, and ice. These advanced engineering innovations help improve handling, stability, and refinement, making every journey a pleasure in the new Jaguar E-Pace.